Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by getting power and permissions right. Charge the H9max above 50% and turn on Bluetooth on your phone. Open the official H9max app you installed. The app is the bridge that lets your phone see the watch. Once done, power the watch, select language, and use the app's Add Device option. Make sure the watch screen shows pairing mode so the app can discover it. This initial connection grants notification and health data access. You'll now complete the handshake. In the app, select H9max from the discovered devices and confirm the pairing code that appears on both screens to ensure a secure match. Next, grant the app required permissions, notifications, location, and storage, because the watch depends on those to show alerts and sync data. Once granted, enable continuous sync and notification access inside the app settings. This keeps health metrics current. You finish by verifying time, alarms, and sync status in the app. These confirm the link is active and data flows both ways. If things go wrong, first reboot both devices and reopen the app, because a reboot clears temporary Bluetooth conflicts. Make sure the phone's Bluetooth is not connected to another device, and if problems persist, unpair and repair the watch or reinstall the app. One key troubleshooting tip: reset the watch's Bluetooth only as a last step to avoid losing saved settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.